everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 23rd to the 25th of October 2023 on Monday. The councilmen are arrested. Nomkhosi failed to get through to Kulegane about becoming Umjudia. Mazungu and church women pledged their support to the new Umkhululi on Tuesday. Nakubonga is shocked to see Mamzobe's spy paying homage to his master. Nomkhosi is unshaken in her faith. Sibusiso has sunk deeper into depression on Wednesday. DIFA and council decide to boycott the installation. Kulegane failed to rule his wife on Thursday. Manzi Mande ridicules the offer to be a council member. A furious Nobuntu tells Mamzobe what she really think of her. Nomkhosi surrenders to Mthembu on Friday. Ndlovu denies Mamzobe 3 times. Kulegane sees red when he finds Nomkhosi wearing Umjudia. Mazungu lies to Mapalala about being a council woman. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.